Hello and welcome to HouseLux Estate, your health and wellness guide. Today, we are diving into the intriguing world of fasting. Picture this, a lifestyle choice that's as old as history itself, yet still holds secrets and benefits that are only just being discovered by modern science. That's fasting for you. In this video, we'll be exploring what fasting really is, why it's practiced, and how it can enhance your health in ways you might not have imagined. Stay tuned as we unravel the science behind fasting and its incredible health benefits. So what happens to your body when you fast? Let's delve into the science of it. When we stop eating for a period, our bodies initiate a process called metabolic switching. This is a natural survival mechanism that dates back to our hunter-gatherer ancestors who often went long periods without food. Usually, our bodies run on glucose, which we get from food. But when we fast, our glucose reserves begin to deplete. After about 12 to 16 hours without food, the body exhausts its glucose reserves and starts burning stored fat for energy. This is when the magic happens. The body enters a state called ketosis, where it's fueled by ketones, molecules produced in the liver from your fat stores. On a cellular level, fasting triggers a process called autophagy. Think of autophagy as the body's housekeeping service. It's a way for the body to clean up and recycle damaged cells and proteins, helping to prevent diseases and promote longevity. Fasting also influences our hormones. Insulin levels drop, which facilitates fat burning. Meanwhile, levels of human growth hormone skyrocket, sometimes by as much as 5 times. This hormone can aid fat loss and muscle gain, among other benefits. Fasting also has a significant impact on our brain. It stimulates the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF for short. BDNF plays a crucial role in learning, memory, and mood regulation, and it also assists in the creation of new neurons. But it's not just about what's happening on a cellular level. Fasting can also lead to changes that we can physically see and feel. These include weight loss, improved energy levels, and even clearer skin, as fasting can help reduce inflammation and promote detoxification. And let's not forget about the potential benefits to our gut health. Fasting gives our digestive system a break, allowing it to repair and regenerate, which can lead to improved gut health and digestion. As you can see, fasting is more than just skipping meals. It's a biological process with profound effects on our health. Now that we have understood the science behind fasting, let's explore its physical health benefits. Fasting is much more than just a dietary choice. It's a holistic approach to health that can lead to significant physical benefits. One of the most notable benefits of fasting is weight loss. By restricting the eating window, your body is compelled to tap into its stored fat for energy, leading to a reduction in body weight. It's like giving your body a rest from constant digestion, allowing it to focus on burning stored fats. But weight loss is just the tip of the iceberg. Fasting can also lead to improved metabolic health. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, promoting insulin sensitivity. This can help control blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Moreover, fasting can stimulate a process known as autophagy, where your body cleans out damaged cells, aiding in cellular repair and regeneration. And there's more. Fasting can also contribute to lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can reduce systolic blood pressure, helping to maintain a healthy heart. This can reduce the risk of heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. But perhaps one of the most fascinating benefits of fasting is its potential to increase longevity. Fasting triggers a metabolic switch from glucose-based to ketone-based energy. This metabolic switch can activate genes linked to longevity and protection against diseases. Also, fasting can enhance physical performance. When the body is in a fasted state, it adapts by enhancing its physical prowess, improving endurance, and increasing growth hormone production, which aids in muscle growth and recovery. In a nutshell, fasting is a powerful tool for weight loss, metabolic health, blood pressure regulation, and longevity. It's like hitting a reset button for your body, giving it a chance to cleanse, repair, and rejuvenate. And the best part? It's completely natural and doesn't require any special foods or supplements. Indeed, the physical benefits of fasting are numerous and can significantly improve your overall health. Fasting isn't just good for the body, it also has incredible benefits for the mind and emotions. Let's dive into the mental and emotional benefits of fasting, starting with improved focus. When we fast, our bodies begin to use stored fat for energy, a process known as ketosis. This not only aids in weight loss, but also leads to increased production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF stimulates the creation of new brain cells and strengthens existing ones, leading to enhanced concentration and sharper mental clarity. So fasting can be your secret weapon for those days when you need to be on top of your game. Moving on, fasting can also have a profound impact on your mood. It's no secret that what we eat affects how we feel. When we consume food, especially carbohydrates, our bodies produce insulin to process the sugars. However, excessive insulin production can lead to mood swings and feelings of lethargy. Fasting helps to regulate insulin production, resulting in more stable energy levels and mood throughout the day. Lastly, let's talk about stress. In today's fast-paced world, stress is something we all grapple with, and fasting might just be the answer to managing it better. When we fast, our bodies go into a state of repair, known as autophagy. This process helps to clear out damaged cells, including those in our brain. This cellular housekeeping can lead to reduced anxiety and a more relaxed state of mind. So fasting isn't just about skipping meals and losing weight. It can also be a tool for mental and emotional growth. By improving focus, stabilizing mood, and reducing stress levels, fasting can help us become more resilient, balanced, and mentally sharp. Clearly, fasting is a holistic practice that benefits not just our physical health, but our mental and emotional well-being too. Fasting offers numerous benefits, but it's essential to do it safely. The key to a successful and healthy fast lies in the preparation and execution. So, let's talk about how to do it right. First and foremost, know when to eat. Fasting doesn't mean you stop eating altogether. It's about controlling when you eat. Whether you're trying intermittent fasting, where you eat within a specific window of time, or alternate day fasting, where you eat normally one day and restrict calories the next, it's important to understand your eating schedule and stick to it. Next, hydration is crucial. During a fast, your body continues to need water. Drink plenty of fluids, primarily water, to keep your body functioning optimally. However, be careful not to overhydrate, as it can lead to an imbalance in your body's electrolytes. In addition to drinking water, it's also important to maintain a balanced diet when you're not fasting. Ensure you're getting enough nutrients and vitamins from your meals. Eating nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help keep your body nourished during your fasting period. Another crucial aspect of fasting safely is listening to your body. Everyone's body responds differently to fasting. Some people may feel energized and focused, while others may feel tired or dizzy. If you're feeling unwell, it's a sign that you may need to adjust your fasting routine or stop altogether. Never push your body to the point of discomfort or pain. Also, remember that fasting isn't suitable for everyone. People with certain medical conditions, pregnant or breastfeeding women, and those with a history of eating disorders should avoid fasting. Always consult with a health professional before starting a fasting regimen, especially if you have any underlying health issues. Lastly, don't rush it. Fasting is a process that your body needs time to adjust to. Start slow and gradually increase the duration of your fasts. This way, you can monitor your body's reactions and make necessary adjustments. Remember, fasting should be a beneficial practice, not a punishing regimen. Always listen to your body and consult a health professional if needed. As we have seen, fasting is a powerful tool for enhancing our health and well-being. This simple yet profound practice taps into the body's inherent wisdom, enabling it to repair, rejuvenate, and revitalize itself. From the intricate science behind fasting that reveals its ability to reset our body's internal mechanisms, to the myriad of physical benefits it offers, weight loss, improved metabolic health, and longevity, it's clear that fasting has a lot to offer. We've also delved into the mental and emotional benefits of fasting. It's not just about the body, but also the mind. Fasting can boost mental clarity, enhance mood, and even foster a deeper sense of inner peace. It's truly a holistic approach to wellness. And let's not forget our discussion on safe fasting. Always remember, it's not about pushing your body to the extreme, but rather about listening to it and giving it what it needs when it needs it. It's about balance and moderation. In conclusion, fasting is more than just a dietary trend. It's a lifestyle choice that can lead to profound improvements in overall health and well-being. It's not always easy, but the rewards can be immense. Thank you for joining us on House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.